I don't have the tool to load a tire, and I think I need to load a tire. So I'm taking my extension with a 9/16 bit on here. So I got my extension, and I'm going to insert it in through the hole in the back here to get to it. And the connection isn't straight back as you may think it is. It's actually on an angle. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm going in at an angle. All right, so got that. And now I should be able to start, if it goes right, lowering the tire. And I don't know if this thing's ever been lowered, so maybe, hopefully it's not rusted up there, but I'll let you guys know if I'm successful. All right, so it's actually working. It's working no problem, but the difference is the 9/16 was just too big slightly, so I went with a 14 millimeter, and that was spot on. Just perfect for it. So a 14 millimeter socket is what you can use, and to start lowering your tire. All right. All right, so I got it down, and I had ran into another issue while I was doing it, is that I was letting down the cable. The cable was coming through no problem, but this part right here, so it goes all the way through and comes out through the other side. So it was coming through and coming out no problem. The slack was there, but the tire wouldn't come down for any reason. Couldn't come down. I thought maybe it was a secondary latch or something. But this part right here was seized up inside of here in this tube. So this was essentially holding it up. So I had to take my pry bar and hammer and just and work on it, and eventually it released. So I'm gonna put some anti-seize up in there before I put it back up. And so there is the socket coming through, attaching to it right here, and that is what allows this to rotate down. All right, so now we can finally start removing these shocks.